Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's guide video, we are going to learn how you can redeem your code in the COD mobile game, but we need to do that from the browser and not directly from the game itself. So make sure to watch and stick with us till the end of this video, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's tutorial. So in order to redeem your COD mobile code, what you want to do is you don't want to open the game from your mobile device, but instead we want to head over to the browser. The only thing you want to remember is your username which you have used on your COD mobile account or COD mobile game. So what we want to do is we want to simply open our browser right over here. Once we open our browser, in the search box we want to head over to callofduty.com/redemption. So as you can see over here, you want to make sure that you have typed in callofduty.com/redemption right over here. If you are having trouble typing this, then I will also leave the link in the description box below. So once I enter that, I'm going to simply tap on enter right over here. And as you soon type on enter, it will show you Call of Duty Mobile Redemption Center. In the first box, it is asking us to enter our username ID. If you don't know where your username ID is, you can simply tap on this question mark button. Here you can see if you want to find a username ID, then once you open a game, you want to tap on this icon right over here. Under the player profile section, you want to tap on this icon. Once you do that, at the bottom of the screen, you will be able to see a username ID, which is a unique number for every account and every user. So once you enter your username ID, you want to enter the code which you want to redeem. Let's say you have a gift card or any type of code which you have received, and you want to simply redeem the code by tapping the code right over here. And over here in this verification box, you want to simply enter this number right over here which says 8279. It could be different from yours may differ. If you can't understand this code, then you can simply tap on this button right over here, and it is going to change the code for you again and again until you find the one which is understandable for you. At the bottom, you can also see a button which says update required to redeem. Check the app store and update if prompted to avoid losing your code once entered. So once you do that, at the bottom you'll be able to see the button called submit. After you type in your username or your user ID correctly, you want to enter your redeem code very correctly, and then your verification code as well. And then you want to go ahead and tap on submit, and if it doesn't work, then you want to go ahead and update the application on your COD mobile in order to avoid losing the code once you enter it. Once you tap on submit, you will have successfully redeemed your redemption code on the Call of Duty mobile gaming application. So in this way, you can really easily redeem your code on COD mobile or Call of Duty mobile. We hope that this guide video was really helpful to you, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe. If you have any more questions regarding this, then make sure to leave them down in the comment section. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.